this problem we are going to look how we are going to correct a trial balance which is given wrong to us. That is, the values are posted in the wrong columns of debit and credit. So there are totally 17 values given over there. So we're going to list it out and then see into it that it is being posted in the correct column of debit and credit. So here I have listed out all the items relating to that particular problem. So what I'm going to do, the next step is certain items are there in the correct position. So I'm going to take those items first and write it out. So the items which are already in the correct place are opening stock, salaries, bank, carriage inwards, discount allowed, purchases, capital, discount received and sales. So next what we are going to do is the other items which are over there. That is, firstly where you're going to see about creditors. Creditors is supposed to be on the credit side, but here it is on the debit, that is 1,32,000. So we're going to take that, remove it from the debit and write it on the credit side correctly. So 1,32,000 for the creditors. So next item online, if you see, it is rent received. So you're going to credit all the incomes, whereas rent received is debited over here with 9,000. So we are going to credit it. Next item is bills payable. So bills payable is going to be credited, but here it is being debited. Therefore, we are going to credit bills payable with 60,000 rupees. Next is the debtor, which is supposed to be debited, but it is on the credit. Therefore, debtors of rupees 45,000 is going to be debited. Next is carriage outwards. Again, it is an expense. Therefore, it is going to be debited 15,000. Next, we have return inwards. As I already told you, it is the sales return. So, sales return, sales is credited, means sales return is going to be debited. Therefore, debit say return inwards with 9,000. Lastly, trade expenses, all expenses to be debited. So, 18,000. Lastly is buildings, 1,14,000 to be debited. So, we have corrected all the items which are relating to this particular sum and it is in the wrong place. Now it is time for getting the total. So when you calculate the total, it is going to be the same, that is 7,44,000. So I get the same total on both the sides with the debit and credit.